What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing to this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video I want to solve you this easy trigonometric equation, which is tan theta minus root 3 equals to 0, and we need to solve it when theta is between 0 and 2 pi. So first of all I need to isolate tan theta. Tan theta will be equal to positive root 3 because I moved negative root 3 to the right hand side, so tan theta equals to root 3. Then based on the special angles we can say that theta will be pi over 3. Why? Because tan pi over 3 will be root 3. And based on the cast rule, I can find out the second answer because theta is changing from 0 to 2 pi. And tan is positive in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 3. So here is pi over 3 and this one is supposed to be pi over 3 as well. So one answer is pi over 3, the other answer is pi plus pi over 3, which is 4 pi over 3. So we have pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3, 60 degrees here, and here we have 240 degrees. So these are the two answers to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you need some extra help, I will leave some related playlists in the description so you can use them to find out some other related videos. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.